Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I'm going to be hosting DEBTMAS. If you're unsure of what DEBTMAS is, be sure to click the link in the cards and it'll tell you all about what I'm going to be doing over the next 25 days. For those of you that have watched that video, as you know, today is Thirsty Thursday, and today I'm going to be making delicious cranberry mimosas. So if that's something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. The first thing that you're gonna need is 12 fresh cranberries. You'll also need 1 cup of cranberry juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 sprigs of rosemary. You'll also need a knife, a lime, and a cutting board, and a bottle of your favorite sparkling wine or champagne. This recipe is for 3 servings, so you'll need 3 glasses. So let's get into making these mimosas. Cut a lime in half, and then you're gonna take this lime and you're going to rub it on the edge of each glass. Then you're gonna dip your glasses into 2 tablespoons of sugar, just to have that sugary rim. Ooh, so pretty. If you have a funnel, I would recommend using this just to make sure that the juice doesn't go all over the place. So what you're gonna do now is pour some of the cranberry juice in each cup. Then you're gonna top each glass off with your favorite sparkling wine or some champagne. So now we're going to be making these garnishes. I made these 2 off camera, so I'm going to do 1 on camera just to show you guys how to do it. So you take your sprig of rosemary and you start to peel off the bottom. We're going to use the bottom half of this as a toothpick for our garnish. So I'm just going to peel this off, and you're going to now take your cranberry. We're going to dice a hole through it just to make it a little bit easier, because the rosemary stems can break, so you want to just kind of ease your way through and be gentle, right? Just like that. Right there. Then 1 more. Perfect. Okay, just like that. These are the garnishes. So now we're gonna do the taste test. This is really good. Try this out at your next brunch. Cheers! Comment down below if you are going to make this. It's super easy and simple. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see another cranberry drink? Do you want to see a milky drink? Do you want to see a chocolate drink? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see how many of you guys decide to remake this drink. Be sure to tag me and hashtag 25 days of DEBTMAS. I thought this was going to be a really cool video to do just because we're probably all going to be hunkering down soon, given the state of the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Come back tomorrow for Fresh Face Friday. We're going to be getting all up in here.